For number 3, we are told in our directions that points B, C, and D are points of tangency. So all of these points are points of tangency. So we have a total of 3 tangent lines that are drawn from point A. Remember, we learned a theorem that says that tangents from the same point to the same circle are congruent to each other. So these 2 tangents that are drawn to circle Q are congruent to each other, and these 2 tangents that are drawn to circle R are congruent to each other. So that tells us that these 2 tangents that we're given expressions for are also congruent to each other by the transitive property that says if A equals B and B equals C, then A has to equal C. So we can solve for x by simply setting those 2 expressions to each other. That's variables on both sides. So if we add 2x to both sides, we can solve the equation 8x plus 5 equals 37. So subtracting 5 from both sides gives us 8x equals 32, and dividing by 8 gives us x equals 4.